This is the linear unit part 1, lesson 6, slope-intercept form, day 2. Homework that goes with this is page 11 and 12. All right, let's do this for a warm-up. So I'm going to write these points in here, and then I want you to freeze the video and do it. Let's find the slope of -2, 8, and -6, -5. So we got a line that goes through these 2 points. We want to find the slope. Pause the video now and do this. All right, when you are given 2 points, you need to use your slope formula. Slope formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I'm going to label my points. This is my first point, so x sub 1 and y sub 1. My second point, x sub 2 and y sub 2. Now, it's a matter of substitution. So, -5 minus 8 over -6 minus -2. So add the opposite. This is -13 over add the opposite, -4. It ends up being 13/4 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Do not change it to a mixed number or a decimal. Just leave it. All right. Yesterday, we did this. When you are graphing lines that are in slope-intercept form, let's review. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. And right now, that's the only form of a line we know. In order to graph a line, you need 2 points. Well, our first point is going to be the y-intercept. And then you use slope, which is rise over run, to locate other points on the line. And really, you only need one other point. So let's take a look at an example. Here, my slope is -1, and I'm going to write that as a fraction, -1 over 1, and my y-intercept is 2. We want to graph this. So y-intercept is 2. Go to 2, put your y-intercept. Slope, this is rise over run. So my rise is -1. So I go down 1, run 1. Down 1, run 1. There's my line. Makes sense? The line is going down. It's got a negative slope through the y-intercept of 2. Let's do this one. Slope is 3, and I'm going to write it as a fraction. 3 over 1 for my rise over run. My y-intercept is -2. So, plot your y-intercept, which is -2. Put your pencil on that point. My slope is 3 over 1, so I'm going to go up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. Using rise over run, there's my line. One more. My slope is 6/5. My y-intercept is 5. Now, this one is interesting because I provided you a grid. So my slope, or my y-intercept, is net 5. If I go up 6 and over 5, my point's going to be somewhere up in here. Well, do you guys agree that I could write this -6 over -5? Isn't that still 6/5? Well, let's do that. If my rise is -6, I'm going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my run is -5. I'm going to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my point. And same thing, if I went up 6 and over 5, I would end up somewhere up there off the grid, which is also fine. But if you have a grid that's provided, you can manipulate your slope to find the point that is to the left of the original point instead of to the right.